Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Vrstemys cat litter deodorizer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 99% deodorization. The Vrstemys cat litter deodorizer releases ozone to neutralize odor-causing substances and emits negative ions to reduce dust in the air. They work together, purifying the air and protecting your cat's sensitive sense of smell. It effectively eliminates odors from cat litter, dog poof, smoke, and more. 100% cat-friendly. Our litter box deodorizer maintains an ozone output of 100 mg per hour, a low-level output found effective to control the smell of ozone itself. Additionally, its working modes feature a default pause period, allowing sufficient time for ozone elimination. Multi-purpose use. Simply press the ozone button on our air deodorizer to switch modes, designed to suit small spaces of various sizes, up to 350 square feet. Ideal for homes, cat litter boxes, shoe cabinets, kitchen, bathroom, wardrobe. It ensures clean, fresh air wherever you need it most. Easy to use. Simply plug the deodorizer into a power source, press the button to select your preferred mode, and let it do the rest. Unlike sprays, its continuous cyclic modes operate 24/7, requiring minimal intervention for hassle-free freshness. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.